It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So now Men's Gold in semi top officials Obia Air Kasa Obia Air Trainer Jane Afawendra Mede Eye Sami Jenfi oye NDC communicator na adwenya otrefa ho mede eno ebrel na asiedu ketia general secretary of NDC so atre na adwenya nsa na yebekọ so no me subscribe na click notification bell on so na da screen so sisia no mesan so atre se ne abobeye na no breaking news we about on sabeka esan so da screen so me share na sa pepepe emaye okay yentia nkomo ne so asiedu ketia atre na adwenya e wo Men's Gold nsem ne so na interesting asiedu ketia or the interesting thought by Trese Olenke to DKM AC last 2 years. Yenim DKM AC wo bronga hafo. Na asiedu ketia ho na ofri nti Olenke to ena later no utie audio na at the end of the audio no o ko ho a o trese eye sa arrest warrant here eye police omo issue no eye fake. Me ye video ena me ye analysis tell say democrat trese arrest warrant e fake na apia mensa nya ade aye hwehwe no nti asiedu nketia ka say arrest warrant no e fake and aside that nso no ono asiedu nketia akọ eye Interpol ho akọhwe say ampa say na apia mensa ye de ne din ato so ye hwehwe na okọ ho a na apia mensa ne din no na Ghana fo mienu bi pe no mudin wo na apia mensa na ne din enim na the entry aka say arrest warrant ye fake no say ono ni wiase mo buy ohun arrest warrant ya tro say president na order arrest warrant ne da na enenti enema ne ye fake na arrest warrant de ye ntro president din wo so na etie for yenkofa nsema asiedu nketia okan ye efa eye Men's Gold issue we ho
Men's Gold from regional Wufi no munya experience with DKM just a motors ne God is love near there Men's Gold the any baby aba be do statement official one abide by was saying
that statement ya band by necessary
when the information minister de buy
no I expose you mukura but in the words for me say the government could have done without that statement
Intilanka buying your day.
Oh, so on say on Nipano Asemo or more can say I buy any omusika mao. Period, sana customers no can. Customers in can say I buy koyi taxpayers is come free for 2 bi mun famre womo. Omo say I buy enkofo e wa buy mu omo ne ye any womu bibi any man legitimacy. I encourage you womu a course yes our investment no. Inti sene abedru pempenso we are abayin to me nkase onfa ho na onhohoro ne nsan kotena ba bi. Inti abayin and make sure say Sempa FM ebedi akire ni ape omusika ma omo. Wherever the money is going to come from. As far as me as I'm concerned. The important point, but the point is say abayin no tema on say nipa na ya abayin o
yes
enti empanimfo edi sa abayin we yanimu no wo mu ne ye eni wo mu nkyerɛkyerɛ bi ɛna eka ho pa na misleading nipa ma wo mu
Sempa FM
enu nti sɛ wo mu esu fresh ankofo no sɛ mo na mo kan sei enu nti mo hwɛ sɛ ensa beka sika edani kwem
but we ministry in statement no say at no point or no occasion abai penyimu bia I endorse Men's Gold anyone including the president
enu na em siri say to da bia o mo twetwe ne ma te say de o mo nko na wo man no wonim say Men's Gold foi yama o mo award e wo man mu.
Yes, private companies will be organizing
in collaboration with the ministry, with the government. Ya award womo. Eno da ho. And apart from that, no, womo abai no ankasa mpanimfa womo abedi abai mu. Womo conduct even before coming into government.
Na conduct ben.
Ma yenko ya chikakra. Send so far se watie me ananura wutie me. Men's Gold asemu ya abai. Enyani we ni first time one bibisa eba didi kan ba o man mu na ye Piram ɛna Piram free hɔ ɛna Aro 5 bae ɛna Aro 5 free hɔ ɛna DKM ɛkɔbae Piram ne Aro 5 no nyina na yɛyɛ no wɔ capital ha enti DKM no ekopie no ne kopie Branhafo ne middle belt hɔ baabi enti temo a saade no scandal no ɛhyɛ aseɛ epie no Bank of Ghana baamu ebe ye de womu ye ya Securities Exchange Commission for ebaamu ebe kasai
Satem on Asempa FM
abanya no otia konwa so ne minister ewo Branhafo Erikopoku okomu ekofrefre meetings some with the customers in fact just some of those customers any God is love customers. Some of these meetings were held even in the palace in Nkransa. Now, a buying position at that time, they say, just some motors, any God is love we, or moon register our Bank of Ghana.
Yes.
And a DK Marco register our Bank of Ghana. And a DK Amasem. And Abba,
yes.
To get DKM asem no buy no, and I hear preemptive action say just a motos in the maneman so almost a big goon no neasano satem. Satem yen man people for any woman lawyer for. Eddie customers here. The meeting no in a video, your home video coverage near in our one position now more can say and say, Constitution or my muno. And my freedom of association. And unti say just a motors ne God is love for ye no boa ku. So ma ka omo ho abom na omo ye omo ade a aban fa ho ben. So nti a prayer no si aban ka so obamu a womo no de minister no be court to say womo all infringe on their rights of association. Inti no atimentu anamo anko na omo toko so eye de omo ya kosi se neba DKM de no so Bank of Ghana ma instruction say omo abrichi terms of omo licenses in the manemantino sse omo stopo na yehwese obia nisika ombia no ye liquidity na ya appoint receivers ne ade na obia ye de mrakwan so liquidity sa business no nti aban ko so start liquidation processes appointed receivers near process no go so in fact some of the payments kura start here na when mu ko so na MPC a omo Branhafo Derek Oduro Brekum MP no Dr. Hwan oka ho ana Doma MP current minister for health almost started demonstrations LED customers no ye demonstrations MPs no na LED ehun records nyina
customers of
DKM no
okay
omo ye demonstration wo
Brekum MP Chumnuyama
no Brekum Nkransa Techimai everywhere omo asemwa ne se aban ena abedi o musika eye President Mahama ene ne yire na they say sa DKM no kra no di no kire dramani na omunya din so de aka no nyina so at a point here menyini say na President Mahama wa hia sa DKM mpanimfo no bi kura ba biada na yire nhia DKM bibia ba biada nti omo kan ya ma omo esan etwa ntro se Lordina call Brekum ahemfie o eje Brekum fo nyina se DKM ye obi amfa ne sika nkonkotom Justa Motors ye obi anko ye bi. Emma brekum my hini issue statement. Say ma me no ba ahimfi ho anka bibi asa. Enti wo mo mfa na himfie mfa me involve sa de we. Wo man yai enna wo mo gu so eni obribu ahenum nyina. De biada abayan de wo musika. President neti akonwa so nti akiri ekokoba say DKM Bank of Ghana ena ama aban enim ho bibia directly
go see say on Asempa FM
ena hwe Bank of Ghana so nti ye Bank of Ghana asede na sika no kra o mojeje no se Bank of Ghana ama stop o mo adwuma nanka DKM for default to ewo o mo payment biada na directives na Bank of Ghana de buy no ban taachiri no eno na ama wo musika akokam nti wo mo de oyi aban firimu a enye o mo kan ya masa MPC de ani mu nkoka say wo musika no a bank DKM je no o de akoma Bank of Ghana for na Bank of Ghana for enu bi na o mo de si sunwane Bank of Ghana regional headquarters no.
They also nyano.
They also nyano. Sata na afe na ye to finishing touches because of South Can die kra no. Yantimi amue sa die no officially. Because one MPs no ne ayifo ye MPP fo ye gu hu fi meanwhile regional chairman of the MPP no. Ono nana oye wo mo lawyer, oye DKM customers no so lawyer. Mokoba na munito amra na
go see say on Asempa FM.
Meanwhile eba ya na Justa Motors so eno so epaye na God is love epaye enti some people for one mansam ne say de dikai aban ena she Bank of Ghana chi amye de abejeje amamfo sika de a aban fa sika no mra de touch me no e kan ya aka say Bank of Ghana it says semi autonomous say enti process ya omo faso ma omo faso say that be say aban and take responsibility for Bank of Ghana you know krana aban responsibility say nipa no ewo oman no mu no aban eba omo ho ban na omo ankofa omo sika amfa ankoto sa achacha no ne ka say enti sa atem wo mo ye nyina na me so me gina fa me so me ye interview so a me so me explain your side sa interview so maye bi wo ayiha Adom TV ha maye bi wo Angel TV ni ayi ni nyina ne records wo me website wo sesi ya me kasa eno nti me ni wo mo throw challenge kra se
FM
asemu ya mo kan enti mo mususu se aban betimi akọ decide amamfo wo mo investment decisions to the extent say so be koye investment na anko ya na aban no na responsible omo se aban na responsible amamu no na enye na ya nhunu amamu no na ya ma ho kwan ama saade no akoba records nyina wo mo nsem a wo kan obribu ahenum na yin mo nsem a wo kan wo saade hu nyina ewo ho ana ye ka se okay eno da nchen a ede bembiem ana wo mo kire se disaster it misi omaimu esi omaimu a ye de nadmoni a ye resources na de etimi commitigate etimi consider sa dike amade no se disaster en konkoye enti omonam no baako they created the impression say sika no kra no ye sheda na ye kantan bi ni aba abegigi because mahama ene na ire a company
ekusi say on
ebi de omokan no de tosu mienu nso se Bank of Ghana na agege wo musika Bank of Ghana se wo mo amema ultimatum bi say yenklosu ade no a na nka customers no tua wo musika problem bia e ma ho nti Bank of Ghana na beyeye nti wo mo de wo mo je wo musika free and this aban ni Bank of Ghana ho ena bi mu nso no say if everything push comes to shove grana it me consider no say a disaster nancy na ya mitigate sad no with government fund. Satem arguments ya omo ye investment decision obi akoye na e de asemo aba company law so e wo man mu ye nim kwan ya ye de fa so na ye de settle sa kwan no so e na ndc aban ayama ya fa so a process no gu so a ya start tuatua bi no mu kai besides sad we no what else would you have done? Na Kufado
Ekusi on Asempa
rally. Ewo Sunyai. And also the records nyina the video footage nyina wo. Mesi sika no mo yebetua ni nyina. Sika no untuma yebetua. Ena me sign call biem na me sign call through challenge say. So siam pass and someone nkofo yi kan ye nokra. Say they say some investors no leaders of three companies almost say yanchi womun ko to prison nti womun nam ho nche say ya ban complicity na womun president say yan na yanchi womun yesu ya hunu say sa ankrofo no leaders no emu miensa MPP I sponsor womun ama womun aye parliamentary candidates on the ticket of MPP even in this crisis. Bakunjina Kintampo Saf as a candidate, parliamentary candidate for the New Patriotic Party, area manager or one of those scams no or no ye nipa why MPP for selecting ujina womu take it so bakunso jina Bulsa Saf and another one sujina baby I escape me 3 of them. It is a sham pass and some MPP for air can. So woman nim scam you ho he. Na woman near ya been said Nipa associate Michi Womutum. The Nipa wedi boni Ayan Bransem sa yepe na china tumuno. Ayan Nancy or Yakronfono. Ono na moma kwako fan se mubesi no hene. Entina samia omo no krebe ne wom. Enti say MPP for G2 say Sankofo no ye nipa bone for na omo no nim omo hwede a ente say omo kura ben omo parliamentary ticket ho kura Sankofo no contest 2016 elections on MPP ticket luckily omo lose ye achi kura no de owo Kintampo Saf no ono na ADC ne na Kufado appoint no ama wa ADC ya confirm na ono net show ADC ne Ekusi Asempa FM. Nana Kufado akokan kire Branhafo say DKM de ewo Bank of Ghana nsa itimi de mraye ho adwuma. Jasta Motors ni ande ade no de omusika ahye. Omusika ahye. Nipa no so okọ di drum di omusika no wo so wabọ no safohene de na yedisi.
The ADC is also area manager ma DKM
No, not DKM, no DKM.
No, just
all them say just an God is laugh, one of them. On any dia woman bonum running war when Chinum Yanani Sika Gary.
You could see saying
or sin Sika to say Gary who didn't show good one A2. And when they say MPP to me this uncle for Yinachi, and as I tell na ye prese enye mra kwan so na mra wo ho ne se nem fan so vu DKM de no na satam ene issue warnings say wo ye sa type of schemes no nyina no enye papa wo mo nyai aban gusu a o ye sa warning no na Bank of Ghana so gusu a ye ma sa warning no na MPP for on their campaign platform was encouraging say na yenye ni papa na omu de ba omu betua omu nye boni bia.
Yeah, but the problem with MPP is omu wini ba omu betua, and I think omu make that promise based on the NRAF information minister on the statement say men's gold into the member statement DKM for example was licensed by the BOG. The reason for which it stepped in to help retrieve monies of depositors.
Yeah, no, a wofufu now no quite. said asem krona na make catch
Yes.
that was the position of NDC government at that time. And they are starting liquidation processes here. Yet to Japade no be edi tua. In spite of the na ekoso no na MPP for say there be ye aban papa na omo de ba umbetu esika no nyina. Oti ase. Enti I am surprised say enen na omo ko refer to say ade no a de na ye no did they know say that was the right procedure? Now why is it say that was ongoing no? Now omo go so promise. I to we ya fe na omo ko kan che Jasta Motors customers na if we see saying now omo no mpanimfo nyina so mo san fa omo aba omo safo hina mama omo positions. Enti no so obi abawia misika na me penache no aje wo so unim ho hwe konfo na me penache no ye bechi no wo fie kura say wo ye complicit ade na sa konfo no nyese wo fie nkwa na bechi no ye ba e wabon akonwa ama no te wasi no man hene na ye ka kro no no a wo betime agyan ba bia ka say unim ho hwe enu ntia no na ekoso ana afa so omo ye sa ne manua na say around that time you na Men's Gold be wo ho ye breso na omo ye no say omo aye say Men's Bank
Men's Bank K and Men's Bank with C
those terms no na Bank of Ghana sa time DKM ne manu sisi ye no na omo press omo say dabi sa de wi enya adwuma na Bank of Ghana tata omo ni such schemes nyina enti ye wo so a ye ka no na mo so a main opposition amagada momentum a move win election no mo encourage say sa de no de obi anye bone ukoso a obitimi akoye and that was the time I who say mo ne we no mpanimfo nyina eye kasubom
so enyifo ben
mansa asema wo mo kan statement mu say na Akufo Addo say onim Men's Gold MPP for entro Monday a press conference we will show you but bia woman is chance here etu anamon abai munipa ene sa Men's Gold mpanimfo chance etu anamon wo de Monday mo ntwen na
more evidence say enunti na just omo tade na ekoso ni nyina achi
sana customers no hu ya enti womo no edify advice ya na ye de ma no enti statement no cry expose womo so see 2016 from by April 2016 na buy ni Bank of Ghana nyina ema warning na still our customers no ya asombrache e course then na sa asombrache no bae because ye ka say menko no na ebi de akira epushi say monko eba power anya woman na wo be akonwa de na Akufo Addo chairman nom ne sa nkofo ya na wo mu aban mu that these were the things they were saying
there is no evidence to that effect
when I say evidence ni ho
evidence ben let us no mu e share nkofo kutu pa so mo
public statements ya ye ka no platforms so
yes
say we no nya bone ye ba ye betua
say DKM
okay say DKM we no why call DKM yes, don't do it. Enti ya mfasa process isu a yentimi ntua. Wo so si o dabi ye ba ye betua ni nyina na se wo so ti ho na wo koye bibibi a ni DKM no sa. Then ne bebo hu.
No, but when Ukoya with the company and DKM was registered,
I am saying say Bank of Ghana was clamping down on all such companies. Says would you seek a kotu baby? If you want to retrieve statements in Bank of Ghana here, now you can go and retrieve some of them and see the terms here. I want the general public. And I'm also Muguswa, Mumu encourage. And when Tibisa won't say Adentina, say ye ho, Meme Koyadi, meaning says Adi we say Sikawum. Na Unya say, hey, enquire. Now so kaso kokoye bibibia o se ehun bia no me na me ba tumi so me ba bibibia nsi enti kokoye na say
an unfair description of the AC because point necessary and the na AC or Brunga Half region relative to DKM and I would fra the na ekoso wo men
and I'm see they were issuing these statements in the whole country woman ankɔhyɛ brand for issue statement Bank of Ghana for government so ankɔhyɛ brand for issue statement or say DKM asem na esi unim say after DKM ade yesan say yenko parliament na yenko hwe laws bi na yen pass bi a ebetimi adele with a prevent such statement in future enti abeye public ade a na aban no ote so plus governor no wo no discourage say mo bia ankoye sa ade no ene e ma ultimatum say sa company bia wonye say no ense say wo ye adwuma ene sa companies no both DKM Men's Gold one so ye adverts with the support of Empanimfo and a year contradict said the Bank of Ghana no yen semunu na say obi ka say Bank of Ghana yen no yen semunu entino monkoso ye savings ye inter savings ye save na ye hunu say sankofo na ye ka say bu savings ye save na ade nu ye hunu say omo ni mpanimfo akukudam bia oman no gi omo di enamo a na say o du sika ko na wanya insurance says nkofo omo na nam nti de ya ma omo stamp of approval enti mekwa misika ben save mesa nyamfa so a ubekwa akotie obi a o say emfa sika nko na trafie na di hia no
panyi be na e wo position that time e ba o a o gina platform so ka say Men's Gold o hwan you e ya de papa in the mamuntie the Bank of Ghana e ka mo mfa musika enko one example
say ye ba obia ni sika akodim bia
DKM no ye be
ene DKM nko a ene na omo wini we na omo limited to DKM o omo wini we okobra for omo limited we na mo kan DKM because 3 companies mienu a enka ho just motors so de ben yo say ye betua enti me can say
more evidence to that promise so mo can say o metua obi ade apart from
yes open platform so na omo kan
evidence
evidence wo na ayi ade say na mo follow campaign train mo nkonko hwe mo aka sumu na
mo evidence
na me say wo ho ye be ye press conference ni ya buebie evidence bebre ade bebre a munim ebeba enti no master na Kufu Addo any Alantre Mantinum, any Minister for Tourism, any many other names, I bebu akahon. Womu jina baby akase, womu nimsa, Men's Gold dumpanim for ya, a trosem.
Now,
I know them.
What they've said is on endorse see a dia no moyeno. Say two different
companies, say Nipano ya crom for. Now buying Case, Ubik, a bank at some point, a castle ya crom for. Now so on no dining, a coba, a two quine coba, a ye bibia coba, why awards near man best business award near Manemanina. Do you need to tell customers individually say for Sika Koto, Nipa, for Sika Common Nipano? Penia wote akunya so awo wa endorse nipa na one no nam no
but what of customers on you sika call ho before aban we eba power almost where
before aban no ba power no na sa scandal no asi DKM no si ya ye ma ho warning say akwa e dey say Minister of Information na you no nyina o statement ya wo kan no o ka say July April 2016 ena kokobo no say ase yana na yebo sa akoko no ene yebo sa akoko no na because of the attitude of MPP for at that time the same members of parliament the movie former ministers presidential candidates ni adi nyina the movie yeka
general not company now in operation for 2-3 years
and I'm saying that was the time when company no Men's Gold Men's Gold and DKM ni manemanya omunyina shase I think it may be around the same time enti DKM de no ebro ya be scandal no ene ho asem ebepie ya amanfo city on asempa ye laws no kra ye de yes ade we say loophole to wom ni manema but meanwhile no Bank of Ghana started or clamped down. Bank of Ghana was not clamping down on DKM alone. Bank of Ghana was clamping down on all such
fictitious companies.
Companies, you know. And I also would say, Obia Nisika Kwakudi Muhabiano, Ode Mumba Mubitia. And Satam no, we could throw a challenge across, okay, Sa, ye betia MPP for Kenny. How many that? Some see on betia. na omo say yende nim say yeko yusu state funds editua
for obia apart from omo registered
even that one kura yes that one kura no enye state funds na omo di tua you enye state funds proceeds from omo liquidated assets no and omo di tua
ba say enye ni nyina because budget statement ne capture
na say yentua ni nyina enunti enye state funds and the tua
ecosi that was the position a car so far because once a Bank of Ghana na step in beyond liquidated asset obeton ne ade be etua no you still need to commit some state resources to pay.
Why?
Say and so customers no sika omo ne ade because value of asset.
There is no law like that. Ghana mra e wo ho ne say we invest in a limited liability company.
Yes.
Na say asemba ho a kwan a ye fa so ekoko liquidate company no ne eton assets no ne a list mo a moye stakeholders no nyina ha ne a rank mo in order of priority. Ebia salaries intua no first na intua wenum the beka chire shareholders no na omo de ye last.
Yeah.
What you say? Yeah. Enunti say no nyina ye kosu wi a ebia nka sika no enso a ye chiche no pro rata no obia anya de SSO onya asa aban emamu. And this was the message we were drumming. Say mra ewo honie enti so obi di DKM no akoshe politics mu na wo twa ntrokire mu say oba obetua we full oba obetua Jasta Motors ni ade a se mo pese ye de oman sikatua sa tem metro challenge ewo Brekum publicly say MPP for one mo ankasa nim say intimi mfa state resources on fantua but they are now deceiving you say you consider no as disaster yenso de nim say uko apply state funds ewo kwan bi so a enye nokra ubetimi alande into trouble ulande into trouble auditor general behwe books wa parliament no odeko ne de akwa public accounts committee ne afrewa atotowa no. Luckily for us chairman of public accounts committee satam no ono ne MP for domain a odi demonstration bi anim say yentua enti mon friend no na yenya ya ntrase sampani ampa say MPP for susu say etimi de oman sikatua na ebe yi a yenya undertaking NDC for MPs besan MPP for MPs besan na to begin with kura yemfa common fund there assemblies no anase MPs common fund no yendi kan fancha ase ntua. This was a public challenge I true ye oti ase ewo Brekum mo omo se meboa yetimi ditua enti wenum nyina records wo ho ni videos nyina wo ho enu nti se ne if those things were enochi ena lanche mantini na nakufu adu course nwan koye rally eno so video wo ho a omugina ho ka se woman kan DK amunko omusu obi a womo a womusika kodi mu nu nyina ye betua scandal no let's have DKM scandal because DKM some no buy no. Some of the smaller companies cry agents to DKM. Omono jeja na the big DKM. So if you refer to even DKM, you are referring to obi a odi nisika akoshemu akokamu a wo mu nyina gugu so aye demonstrations MPP MPs no di wo monim. Eno ntino se ne owie ya wo mo beye announcement say tua na wo mo se wo betua no kura no DKM customers nko no kura no asem kase wo kura hafo. Because this was the same thing. President Mahama and Nkofu said DKM no ewo Bank of Ghana sinti Bank of Ghana delia they can deal with DKM. Monsi monti asie monde yeboa incompetent mba bituaninya. Enti me kire say innocent people ye dada wo mo ma wo mo etokoso no. Ejina saa nhihye bone no they say wo mo encouragement bone no. Eno na ama obi afia na ye ko abato so wo mo anwini ena wo mo aba mfia mienu ni ena wo mo nenam a Womone DKM the same men's gold mpanimfoi edifi bom. Omudi ebinum ne womu tukwan ebinum ma no award ebinum de womu ne nam Ghana ha ba bia enti sa nipa no nam na oman
ne tukwan
we no nanti bebre wo Minister for Tourism Catherine Afik
one nanti koye den
ne pictures nyina wo net no so
omo ye den omo ne nanti koye den
public functions
yes
no nam omo ye public functions and na omo asan koye awards ceremonies ya friend na be gina ho abona baso enti wo sika na se ese wo de koto saa akwai ne bank wo se ne organization num wonya mfaso na oman num mpanimfo so agina ba bia abona baso se one of the best businessmen of the year in the country what do you think
as a minister in charge of tourism and creative art? Now, so this is somebody where you invest in the creative art. Now, or koto be around the country now or the nekwa. Is that an endorsement for the other business? In this case, men's goals.
Say one bona baso no. Say one list the businesses no. Say ono na wabui more businesses.
No, say awards ni different from tourism minister.
I don't see.
Is America tourism minister?
Send the business back with your creative arts.
Yes.
And a biso ye gold media dear we were a media award no what you be a case and a human back when you come for a human back on the NTM and about to say why are there. What to be that? And you know this is an endorsement. One say actions speak louder than words. Say Bank of Ghana tiba bia now so
on Asempa
say adewe munyaye no manu mpanimfo a wo mu kan bia ewum wo mu ne sankofo na ese yemfa esika nkoma wo mu no wo mu na edidi na enom na etukwan na ekoba.
Into your point ne say because of how nneema we na akoso no
eka ho na create deceptive environment ma amanfo yenya akwafu wo mu kase.
And you are saying say because of enunti no abaining for or minisika entry
in case abaining for minisika me say they must know where the money is.
Abain should know baby sika ne wo
amanfo e wa abain panimfo e wa abain no mu should know.
They are not shareholders in the company. They are not part of the company's operations.
Then legitimacy na mudema omo. Sa company who say na Precious Mineral Marketing deben so I register.
No, I register on Minerals Commission and a PMMC. As at 2016-2017, a Bank of Ghana who said PMMC license now expire. But Minerals Commission the end for gold dealership and we go beyond the parameters are was a license promising dividends to customers.
And Omugusu Omo na buy no so award or Emma Omo award say best businessman near the ade wo mine. Munim says ane man nyina expire no na Mugusu Omo award wo best businessman near the wo mine. Ndi wo mo aba say sponsor ye league. Any manyina.
So no obi no your mobile so sponsor.
Na nipa no so ya conform no so the process of chrono be sponsor league ya. Now to ho he no. Aden enti obi ba no oye cocaine ni no ka say or the cocaine process no e be sponsor league ya.
Say any men's go na sponsor xylophone cash and a sponsor league no. DFA private
never no nyina hwan dia
a subsidiary
enti asem na okay ni nyina ya asem baako enti no de ma ya mekan munim se sa na ma nyina wo ho lances wo yawu ya monne no se ma ne nyi se na oguso a oye na ade na so akobodwa oni mpanimfo Robu Shoulders president no mo Robu Shoulders mo award league mo manu league so sponsor oye we wo ha oye we wo ha oye wo ordinary citizen no otifie no se ka se papa ya oni president no nam oni ministers akasi nam no ye bo na baso wo man mu say one of the best businessmen odi sika ekoto ne ho na odi konso a unya mfasubu mu a when the so odi ne sika beko
and do visit Sanyoma way in Entino, a shanko for kutu pass on for musicanco.
Pepe, enunti ana and also danchenya. And also danchenya. We must know in detail.
Okay.
Relationship pa eda sa papa yintam ene abai mu mpanimfo yintam. This is a big subject here. SSC investigating
relationship being
me say that is how far, because that scandal number the customers should demand near say dear ba yonkufa ne da unim say we asem no leki no tape I leki na nyanta chinum tape.
Yes. And number 12 the we announce investigations no.
Nyanta ji o kan say akwa no na share investor no o maniska bi no o maniska ska na obetimi ama na ko hu president one on one. Yes. Yantachi nyon na deserve akwa we call president ho a omutwa ho photos no.
Time a CAF president the buy no. And I know mu pay courtesy call on the president. And no share Ministry of Information statement now. Almost because send xylophone cash. Ama indications on best sponsor GPL and on also na CEO ni nti omo de ne ka ho delegation to go and meet the president.
Kromfo amunim se ne license nyina wu ense so ye adwuma no a ese so ye no. Na obi ti se CAF president aba no akofa na di wachi ene nti se si ya CAF president no ba bi oti no oti sa scandal we ene se nipa no ana odi mu animu amone no ne president na twa photo na obedwen Ghana fo ho sen. Two things from the same mouth, from one vein no. Mosi onye ni papa onye se si ayeko kan mosi ya issue arrest warrant say yenkochi no. Me kan che o mo say de niam me ma kan wo social media no say yes e no ni arrest warrant no mo boa.
Oh then na so na o ka so
mo boa on one of the platform wo mo ko do say on the orders of the president. I don't know whether you see what says peace from the end was no
sana arrest warrant so
arrest warrant ben I say on the orders of the president or Maimuda.
Unim by experience how arrest warrant here trono
na court to be a president be the case ya court ana president the case ya court and then issue arrest warrant ya president na nidimu na issue
no so we no omoka say whereas Nana Appiah means of Accra is accused of the offense defrauding by false pretense. I war section 131 of Act 2960. You are hereby commanded in the name of the president forthwith to apprehend the said Nana Appiah Mensah.
What is your issue are there in the name of the president or Maimunda?
No, this is from a court.
Court to issue are there in the name of the president. How does president come in? The state, the republic versus so and so.
Yes.
Now how does a president come in? And are you saying say judge no ni man there?
On Asempa FM.
And this document no fake. One more coin now de that man for say ye pa kwa na chi no. They declare no wanted. Because how they will say no me won say ye court document bi asa.
No, but say a fake.
A fake completely because still me won say we ingredients document that one ingredients na we hu say ade no ye genuine na ye genuine.
Stamp
and I'm they can do a lot of things in this country. I fake. Say ya committee the soldier and they ask me and I'm soldier.
No, Photoshop
now then no been to me Photoshop. I mean can't say circuit court judge Bianca say I command you in the name of the president. Circuit court judge Bianca Hobekasa. And this document no mudi bribri amamfo ani so say president see encoaching president. Yeah, president
no, but beyond this document, I also say it is to the IGP and others, no? The CID boss, Akasa say, omo other colleagues in the 194 countries of
the other post to sa Interpol list near Yinusu Bia, Bibia Nisosano,
official post from the Ghana Police Service. And I will be on the social media.
And I'm one your evidence call Interpol for list so now here one red list here say Nana Appiah say when ni dinka
why are you doubting
there is nothing there
say doubting Ghana Police Service
Nana kwa na
so almost declare
and say obi that to Ghana Police Service MPP for crowd out to Ghana Police Service and na omo ba by mu we should not be news entino the make a try say me there me lawyer ni na me who say ye issue arrest warrant in the name of the president da rete ba ko pe na mahu say ye issue court in the name of the president president Kufuor Breso na Kufuor na ye attorney general na o file e no say the obi nipa ya cheno no versus the president versus am say chachuchi kata o se hwan ebe yes scandal kese pa wo man mu say hwan na o twere lawyer for brofo say
saying on Asempa FM
because a state and the
republic versus
yes enunti no obi obekwa ko issues ade say they say judge atena na dwom issues bibi say the president on the orders of the president ben ma order ana case a judge no tiso a odi no na president no ye party say individuals mo say men's gold customers na dey for
and I report yama police
and
police a court for a warrant to go and arrest
the police court then they issue a warrant in the name of the president
and until we just waka say fake no
me believe kura say ye genuine document me believe na asem na aba no and na omo pen krata bi e dia be bribri amanfo ani so say yeguso a ye giran so a ye tu anamon because me who say dey be that but me
information minister statement now waka in a final point say government wishes to inform the general shall employ all the powers of the state to find the accused persons, investigate the allegations, and ensure that the law takes its course in this matter. It is reassuring enough. And beyond way so baby Osebia
omunye effort to be ase no baby masaja kan yenye tie
enti general ofi se wasan na mo be na nkaban etu beyond the mutu
sa na na pia we ebe me den pa se meti se aban timi achi na na pia we ajeli no anaye no
could see saying on Asempa FM
no because of the minim no ebe me den sa pa se me believe say na pia we true say aban hwehwe no achi no na ye bechi no e de no aye bibi e wo man mu I don't believe it.
That is a who believe say customers are musika
akon date to ho na twa me din to so e be san hia biem me se me believe e na sa ayi warranty ni order ya wo ka ho asem me nye lawyer ni de ntu we afre lawyer for say issue arrest warrant ya issue no in the name of the president ya me but I mean who be that me nye lawyer ni so makoko to a me twema nso kakra nti me hu say ya issue arrest warrant in the name of the president.
And for you, no, or more because you see our customers no is demonstration so far Accra, Hani Kumase, Akoso. Going forward, no. Abaya kase or more sharp branch and channel de naba ama emra kwans and emra edena faso. Customers also muhia musika. Edina abaya enye wanka, what will be your advice to government?
Government should walk its talk.
Talk being.
Na enye sa ade say ye na achi ni nyina enye
the talk be na aban wo
na me che say ye hwehwe mu yie pa na ye hwehwe a ye be hu where to place